How to check Presto balance. You can check your Presto card balance through the following methods. 1. Online, Presto website. Visit www.prestocard.ca and log into your account. Your balance will be shown on the dashboard. 2. Presto mobile app. Open the Presto app, available on iOS and Android. Sign in to view your balance on the home screen. If your phone supports NFC, tap your card on the back to update the balance instantly. 3. At a Presto machine or kiosk, visit a Presto kiosk, transit station, or participating retailer, such as Shoppers Drug Mart. Tap your Presto card on the reader. Your current balance and recent transactions will appear on the screen. 4. By calling customer service, dial 1-877-378-6123 and follow the automated prompts. You'll be able to check your balance and get account details through the phone system. And that's all for this video. I hope this video helps you. Thank you.